First of all, you need to download the latest version of Rufus from the link provided in the description below. Run rufus.x. Now select your USB device. In boot selection, select the file you want your USB device to boot with. I will go here with Kali Linux. To check the partition scheme of your system, open run command, type Diskpart and click OK. In Diskpart, type list disk. As you can see, there is a star under the GPT column. This means that your partition scheme is GPT. If it is not, then it is MBR. Now let us go ahead and change the partition scheme to GPT. One more thing, if the GPT method doesn't work on your PC, go with the MBR partition. Now let us start. Okay, this is the most important part. You must select write in DD image mode. Then click OK. Now it will take some time. Let us skip to the end. As you can see, we have successfully created our bootable USB drive of Kali Linux. If you face any problems, let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you like our work, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.